Okay guys, so this is a tutorial on how to do figure 8. It looks like this basically. And you basically do like a Viper and Viper reverse, right? So basically, you're gonna grab the pen like this, right? With your thumb and your index finger at the back. I guess you could do it front, not entirely sure. Depends on you, how you like it. Doesn't really matter, I guess, but you take it like this, and you basically like, I guess, you sort of like do like a motion like this, right? You do like a motion like this, and you sort of like let it fall. You kind of like you can like raise your hand like this, right? So it like falls, and then when it's like here, you're gonna basically like bend over like your wrist in a way, right, to the left side basically. And it should like try to make it like not choppy. Don't do it like you know, like this in like two motions. Try to make it like so it's like I guess it's sort of like ties together in a way, you know what I mean? So that's how you do it, and then you can actually repeat it. Once it's done, you can actually keep repeating it. So basically you do motion like this. So good luck learning this trick. It's actually good. You can do like some other stuff with it, right? You can do some crazy stuff with it, but yeah.